how to turn on Twitch Whispers on your phone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on Twitch Whispers for your phone in 2022. We can turn on the Twitch Whispers by following these easy steps. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Twitch application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you have to upper left corner of your screen in the profile icon. After doing so, a new dialog box would appear in which it would consist several options, just like subscriptions, friends, drops, account settings, set presence, my channel, stream manager. So we are going to tap on the account settings. Once again, a new page would appear in which we are going to look for security and privacy. So the security and privacy option is going to be the fourth or fifth one. So here it is, the fifth option, security and privacy. When we are going to go through it or tap on it, afterwards a new page is going to appear. We are going to scroll over to the end and there is going to be one line, block whispers from strangers. Whispers will be blocked from all strangers unless you give them permission. A stranger is anyone who is not your friend, follower, sub, mod or editor. So we are going to uncheck it. Once we have unchecked it, now anybody can reply you or text you in your Twitch inbox. This is how you let anybody or Twitch whispers turn on your phone. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.